Using a Revolut card abroad can be a convenient and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling. To get started, first ensure you have a Revolut account and a physical or virtual card. The Revolut card is accepted at millions of merchants worldwide, including shops, restaurants, and ATMs. When using your card abroad, you will not be charged any foreign transaction fees, and the exchange rate used will be the interbank rate, which is the wholesale exchange rate that banks use to trade currencies with each other. To use your Revolut card abroad, simply use it as you would at home. By inserting your card into the payment terminal, tapping your contactless card, or swiping your card, you will be prompted to enter your PIN or provide a signature to authorize the transaction. It is essential to notify Revolut of your travel plans, so they do not flag your transactions as suspicious and freeze your account. You can do this by logging into your Revolut app, going to the settings, and adding your travel plans. When withdrawing cash from an ATM, be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee, and you should also be mindful of your daily ATM withdrawal limit. You can check your ATM withdrawal limit and any fees associated with using your card abroad in the Revolut app. To avoid any issues while using your Revolut card abroad, make sure you have a stable internet connection, so you can receive notifications and authorize transactions. Additionally, always keep your card and PIN safe, and be cautious when using public computers or public Wi-Fi to access your account. By following these steps and being aware of the benefits and potential fees associated with using your Revolut card abroad, you can enjoy a hassle-free and cost-effective way to manage your finances while traveling.